Hey guys, today I'll be doing a bike check on my new 2011 We the People Trust bike. So here we go. Okay, to start off, we got the Eclat Trippin' orange back rim. We've got Kendra Covert back tire. We've got same thing in the front. Eclat Trippin' rims, except the tire's different. Got pitch roll. Okay, so got Salt Plus cranks, Salt Plus sprocket. I don't know what kind of chain that is, but it's not too bad. Got the Eclat pedals. It's a pretty cool seat. I'm not sure what company it is. I think it's Specialized. We've got the We the People Trust 2011 frame. Really nice. It's 100% chromoly. The bike is 100% chromoly. We've got Salt Plus headset, Salt Plus stem, and we've got the We the People Mad Max bars with some ODI long necks on there. Here we've got Salt Plus U-brake, and got We the People fork, Salt Plus front rim or front hub, and then got a Salt Plus rear cassette hub. So, yeah, that's my bike. Now I'm going to show you the hub sound. The hub sound. That's my bike. Thanks for watching.